doing today? Today I'm so excited. Well, a little bit excited. Well, so excited because I've got this. It just came in. I'll show you behind that is upside down. It is a mega fidget fun box, and it's got. I think it's got quite a lot of stuff in it. So I'm so excited to open this, guys. So what else did we get? Okay, so.
Oh, we've got dominoes.
Oh yeah.
Do you know how to play dominoes?
So.
No, you don't. There's a way of playing it. I don't know how you...
Gracie, help me.
Yeah, wait, hang on.
Okay, guys, so I'm scared because I do not know how to open it. Okay. Oh, I know, I got it.
Okay, let's do. Whoa, let's try that.
So, okay, I'm scared.
Okay, let's do.
Right, so we got a.
How much thingies are there?
That hit.
No,
So we
don't like.
So we got a blue.
No, don't use it. Just show them it.
So we got a blue. What do they call it?
They're called like something tubes. Poppers.
Poppers.
Or, I don't know.
I forgot. So we got one of them. We got a blue one of them. A red one of them. We have one of them.
Jesus, she has like the big ones.
Big ones. A red big one.
And another purple one.
And another purple one. And
Another
blue
big
one. And then we got
Rainbow
one of
poppet.
these rainbow poppets. So cool, yes. Oh,
Now you have some of them.
No, get wounded. I give you like one. And then they're like really cool because I like how. Oh, it's so satisfying. It's so satisfying. Oh, so satisfying, guys. Okay, cool poppet. So we got like so many of those pop tubes. We got a blue one of these like squishy things. I'll open that later. Ooh, look at it. That's so cool, guys. I might just do a video on this so it's so satisfying. And then we got like a see-through yellow kind of, I think see-through one of these, and it's super crunchy, guys. Like, whoa, it's like so cool. ASMR. We got orange one. It's pretty cool. Glow in the dark. Nice. So cool, guys. Whoa. Squeezing. So cool. Ooh. And then we got this. This is like a fidget spinner, but it's like a simple dimple same time. Hey, let me pop it. Whoa. And then pop it while they're there. So cool, guys. Let's pop them back. So cool. Okay. Next thing. Ooh, what's this? A stat test boy. Oh, I've seen this before. It's like a dog, but someone made it and it went viral. And then it's like a dog one now. And you can't move it because you can move its head. Oh no, you can't move it. You can't. You just gotta be like super hard with it. Okay, so it's one of those things. Where's the dog one? Damn, maybe I'll get that another one. That's so cool. Put that there. Oh, I kind of just tapped. See what else we got in here. Oh, we got another one of these. It's a green one this time. Love it, yeah. What is this? What's this? What is that?
Oh,
What is that?
Oh, that's just like a FIFA thing. You just keep going around.
Okay, that's cool, guys.
This is kind of cool.
You've already got one, dude.
What's
Wait,
this?
I don't know.
Oh, this is a glove.
Ooh, okay, satisfying. Yeah. Satisfying. Oh, how do you... Oh, okay. Let's go. Screen bit. Okay, let's go. Sounds that. Alright. Ooh, mini Rubik's Cube. That is a keychain. My sister will be buying it. Buying it. Yeah, she'll have to pay up.
No.
Okay. I can't get all my hands stuck. Oh wait, no, it's not. Ooh, we got a marble and a mash.
Marble and mash.
It's called
Like
keyring.
sausage and mash.
Okay, cool guys.
Yeah,
Love it.
sausage and mash.
So you kind of just
It's just a marble with like mashed potato.
What?
Are you hungry? You want some dinner?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
And then we got mochi.
Wait, you can put that with the grey one. That's like the same as the grey one. You can put it with them.
So it's so cool, squishy guys. We got a look how cute he is. Look how cute he is. He's got his little egg belly.
Huh?
Oh guys, we got a get back in there. We got a pink monkey noodle. Yeah, pink monkey noodle. Yellow monkey,
Oh my God.
blue monkey noodle.
Can I keep this one?
You can keep nothing.
Can I please keep this
Yellow.
one? You have 2 more.
Fine.
Can I keep one of the pop chews too? Because you have loads. Actually, no, I
Okay.
don't want the pop
Okay.
chew.
And then we got this.
Yellow.
We'll decide what you get after. Just let me finish my video.
Guys,
Nice.
you also got Dominoes.
Right, cut the counters. Right, nice yellow one. Cool, love it. Yes, go ahead. And purple one as well. Oh, okay.
Whoa, how
Let's
much?
go.
I think there's a red one too. Or like, yeah, I think there's a red one.
A red marble and
OMG!
a mash.
Another mochi. I have that one.
No, you don't. It's way different.
Oh.
Well, it's not way different, but now you guys see.
Didn't you just have the
We
peanut?
got one more thing in here, guys.
It's a peanut.
Nah,
I have that.
No,
No.
not. It's legendary. Whoa, I can't even. I think I need to use it a bit more to get it out. But yeah, that is the mega. Oh my god, mega fidget.
Whoa, that's
box.
actually quite a lot.
Okay, so
Whoa.
if you guys enjoyed this video, put comments down below if you want me and my sister to do a trading video with all this stuff. Okay, goodbye, and make sure to subscribe and like the video if you want to be in the Frozen Club. We'll see you on next time. Goodbye.